Today we're gonna swatch the Choo Choo Beauty Butter Bounce Blush in the shade Mocha Melt. This blush has 4 grams of product and it's only around 160 plus after voucher. What I love about this is the gradient style blush. Mas concentrated sa may left side or right side, depende sa inyo, then it blends softly palabas. The formula is butter soft and creamy, kaya ang dali niya lang i-blend and very skin-like yung finish. Made with the moisturizing ingredients, so hindi siya drying, and ang gaan lang niya sa skin. So, ang ginawa ko dito, yung darker na side, yan yung sinwatch ko dyan. And then, dito sa ibang side, or sa kabilang side, swatch ko yung lighter side para makita nyo yung kaibahan. So, perfect siya for everyday, especially if you want, natural green blush look. Yan. This is the Mocha Melt, you guys. Dito na tayo paghahaluin ko yung dark and the light side ng blush. Para makita nyo yung anong effect niya pag pinaghalo yung dalawang kulay. Honestly guys, nagustuhan ko yung blush na to. As in, kita na naman sa reaction ko dyan. Gusto ko yung blush. This is the Mocha Melt, you guys. Na kulay ng Choo Choo Beauty Butter Bounce Blush. I tell you guys, super sulit to, especially if you're a student. Super sulit to na blush. For 100 plus only may blush ka na.